Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs on Unit 4 and 5, that is Pharmacology of Drugs Acting on Central Nervous System. So let's begin. Question is, dash are released from non-synaptic sites. The answer is neuromodulators. The next question is, dash are the agents that act as second messengers mediating intracellular events following postsynaptic activity of neurotransmitter. The answer is neuromediators. Next question is, which one is not an example of major neurotransmitter? The answer is adenosine. The next question is, precursor of GABA which gets decarboxylated by the enzyme GAD. The answer is glutamate. The next question is, GABA is removed either by reuptake or by dash which is being catalyzed by GABA transaminase. The answer is deamination. The next question is, dash act as GABA agonist and the conversion dash act as an antagonist. The answer is Muscimol or butyquilline. The next question is, an example of convulsant drug is picrotoxin. The next question is, example of GABA B receptor agonist is dash which is used as an antispastic drug. The answer is baclofen. The next question is, which one is not a significant function associated with 5-HT pathways? The answer is block the anion channel. The next question is, which one is not an example of major neurotransmitter? The answer is adenosine. The next question is, dash is an example of GABA B receptor antagonist. The answer is baclofen. The next question is, the only example of transmission mediated by dash receptor is the recurrent motoneuron inhibitory pathway. The answer is nicotinic. Next question is, dash mainly produces inhibitory actions in the brain but in some cases show excitatory actions. The answer is noradrenaline. The next question is, a convulsant drug dash acts by competitive glycine antagonist and is used as a rat poison. The answer is strychnine. The next question is, the excitatory receptor is NMDA, inotropic, metabotropic. So all of the above. The next question is, an example of peptide found in the same neuron along with the conventional peptide transmitter is encephalin. The next question is, dash is referred to as a state of unconsciousness. The answer is anesthesia. The next question is, general anesthetic act over complete body. The next question is, patient is not breathing, heartbeat may or may not be present. This stage is known as medullary depression. The next question is, which one is not a classification of general anesthetic? Answer is intramuscular. The next question is, when dash is given in concentration of 2 to 4% for rapid induction, then the desired level of anesthesia has achieved. The answer is halothane. Next question is, which one is an advantage of halothane? It does not cause frequent post-operative vomiting. The next question is, which one is a disadvantage of halothane? Can cause malignant hyperthermia in susceptible persons. The next question is, anesthetic dash has 96 to 98% of diethyl ether. Answer is ether. The next question is, which one is a disadvantage of ether? That it cross tolerance with ethyl alcohol. The next question is, which one is an advantage of ether? It is used without pre-anesthetic medication. The next question is, examples of dash anesthetic drugs are thiopentone sodium, ketamine, methoxhexitone, etomidate, profolol and midazolam. The answer is intravenous. The next question is, dash is a barbiturate having very high lipid solubility. The answer is thiopentane sodium. The next question is, dash produces dissociative anesthesia including significant loss of smell, analgesia, amnesia and loss of muscle movements without actual loss of consciousness. The answer is ketamine. The next question is, dash should be used in combination with opioids. The answer is etomidate. Next question is, dash is an anesthetic showing antiemetic action and leads to respiratory depression and hypotension. The answer is propofol. Propofol. The next question is dash is used to maintain surgical anesthesia in combination with other anesthetic agents and with muscle relaxants. The answer is nitrous oxide. The next question is 50% nitrous oxide oxygen mixture is added to another inhalation anesthetic that dash the required dose of the latter by around 50%. The answer is decreases. The next question is during anesthesia the complications related to general anesthesia reduce blood pressure, laryngospasm and asphyxia. The answer is both A and B. The next question is after anesthesia the complications related to general anesthesia are pneumonia and atelectasis. The next question is according to dash theory anesthetics bind to hydrophobic sites on protein molecules of neuronal membrane thus alter the function of membrane. The answer is protein theory. The next question is dash is a local anesthetic used as a class 1B antiarrhythmic drug. The answer is lidocaine. The next question is dash channel is liable to local anesthetic binding in the open state, therefore the frequently stimulated nerves are blocked easily. The answer is sodium. Next question is which one of these is an injectable anesthesia? Procaine, tetracaine, lidocaine. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is dash is an alkaloid and is extracted from the leaf of the cocoa tree. The answer is cocaine. The next question is cocaine is not used commonly because of its acute intoxication. The next question is maximum dose of procaine is dash depending on the solution strength. 500 to 1000 mg. The next question is dash is a derivative of acetanilide. The answer is lidocaine. The next question is a dash percent solution of pilocaine is also used for Beer's intravenous local analgesia. The answer is 0.5%. The next question is a procedure for administering some specific drugs about an hour before the actual anesthesia is called pre-anesthetic. The next question is dash is used to decrease secretion of gastric HCl. The answer is ranitidine plus metoclopramide. Question is dash produce sleep resembling natural sleep. The answer is hypnotics. The next question is dash are non-selective CNS depressant producing sedation and reducing anxiety which leads to unconsciousness. The answer is barbiturates. The next question is amylobarbital is an example of dash barbiturate. The answer is intermediate acting. The next question is blood pressure is dashed by hypnotic doses of barbiturates which reduce cardiac output and induce vasodilation and peripheral pooling of blood. The answer is lowered. The next question is barbiturates produce adverse effects like hypersensitivity, idiosyncrasy, acute barbiturate poisoning. So the answer is all of the above. The next question is in case of poisoning with long-acting barbiturates 1 mg per kg dash is given intravenously with or without mannitol to eliminate the poison by renal excretion. The answer is sodium bicarbonate. The next question is the first benzodiazepine dash was accidentally synthesized in 1961. Chlorodized epoxide. The next question is dash is used in epilepsy because of its selective anticonvulsant action. The answer is clonazepam. The next question is dash is the main adverse effects of benzodiazepine. The answer is hangover. Next question is dash is a non-BZD compound which binds to BZD receptor to potentiate the effects of GABA acting as an sedative hypnotic. The answer is zolpidem. The next question is dash is the best known BZD antagonist which was previously reported to not produce any effects on behavior when given on its own. The answer is flumazenil. The next question is glycerol is an example of dash alcohols. The answer is trihydroxy. The next question is wines containing and more of alcohol are prepared by adding more of neutral spirit, 16%. The next question is, most of the alcohols is metabolized by the non-microsomal enzymes present in the liver. The next question is, dash dose of ethyl alcohol cause direct myocardial and vasomotor center depression along with the fallen blood pressure. The answer is large. The next question is, chronic alcoholism can lead to testicular atrophy. The next question is, even dash of methanol causes blindness and cause death, 15 ml. The next question is, methyl alcohol follows zero order kinetics and has a T half of 20 to 60 hours. The next question is, dash is an acute alcoholic attack occurs due to depressed CNS, head injury or severe hypoglycemia. The answer is coma. Next question is, which condition is not suffered by alcohol addicts? The answer is glaucoma. The next question is, dash prevents the oxidation of acetaldehyde from during alcohol metabolism. The answer is disulfiram. Next question is, in dash seizure, the cortical discharge beginning in the local area of the brain soon spreads in the reticular activating system. The answer is tonic-clonic. The next question is, dash seizure is characterized by repeatedly occurring seizures and there is no recovery in between seizures. The answer is status epilepticus. The next question is, methoxamide is an example of succinimide. The next question is, phenobarbital is an example of barbiturate. The next question is, which one is not a drug of benzodiazepine? Gabapentin. The next question is, phenytoin reduces the opening of dash channel, the sodium channel. The next question is, dash seizure occurs mostly in children due to increased body temperature, febrile. Next question is, phenobarbital is used in dash seizure, psychomotor. The next question is, dash and chloramphenicol reduce the metabolism of phenytoin, isoniazid. The next question is, dash undergoes a slow oral absorption, phenobarbital. The next question is, phenobarbital undergoes a slow oral absorption and has a long T half of 80 to 120 hours. The next question is, which one is not a side effect produced by phenobarbital? The answer is trigeminal neuralgia. The next question is, plasma T half of sodium valproate is 10 to 15 hours. The next question is, dash is not used as a monotherapy. The answer is gabapentin. The next question is, phenytoin is an example of hydantoin derivatives. The next question is, BZDs potentiate GABA-induced dash ion influx to produce sedation, chloride. The next question is, the average T half of clonazepam is 24 hours. The next question is, clonazepam is used in absence seizures. Next question is, carbamazepine is an example of immunostimulants. The next question is, which one is not a therapeutic effect of carbamazepine? So, develops mental and physical sluggishness is not therapeutic effects of carbamazepine. Next question is, neuromuscular blocking agents are also termed as dash because these drugs are used to reduce unwanted spasm, skeletal muscle relaxants. The next question is, dash are used with general anesthetic to achieve relaxation of the muscles prior to a surgery. The answer is peripherally acting muscle relaxants. The next question is, dash are mainly used to relieve painful muscle spasm and spastic neurological disorder. The answer is centrally acting muscle relaxant. Next question is, atracurium and rocuronium are examples of intermediate acting muscle relaxants. The next question is, dantrolene is the example of directly acting muscle relaxants. The next question is, doxycurium, pancuronium, pipecuronium and vecuronium are the example of long-acting muscle relaxants. The next question is, dash are also known as urarizing agents. Q-rarizing agents due to their relationship with the curare alkaloid which was used clinically first time ever. The answer is non-polarizing muscle relaxants. The next question is dash was the first drug found capable of blocking the skeletal neuromuscular junction. D. Tubocurin. The next question is dash is the prototype drug of all depolarizing muscle relaxants. The answer is succinyl chloride. The next question is succinyl chloride and dash must not be mixed in the same syringe as they result in a potential harm. Thiopentane sodium. The next question is which antibiotic decreases the release of acetylcholine from the prejunctional nerve ending by competing with calcium ions? Aminoglycosides. Next question is dash is a direct acting peripheral skeletal muscle relaxant and acts on ryanodine receptor which regulate calcium ion channels in sarcoplasmic reticulum. The answer is dantrolene. The next question is aminoglycoside antibiotic D-tubocurin and neuromuscular blockers, beta blockers, ether, phenytoin, etc. are contraindicated in myasthenia gravis. The next question is dash act to reduce the intraocular pressure by decreasing the formation of aqueous humor. The answer is carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. The next question is timolol, betazolol, levobunolol, cartilolol and metipranolol are dash and are administered topically for treatment of glaucoma. The answer is beta adrenergic blockers. The next question is for the initial treatment of open angle glaucoma which prostaglandin is preferred. The answer is bimatoprost. The next question is dash are used to treat acute congestive and open angle glaucoma. The answer is Maritix. The next question is dash is a prodrug of adrenaline and acts by penetrating the cornea. The answer is dipivefrin. Next question is in dash disorder, patient detaches himself from the outer world and lives in his or own world. The answer is psychosis. The next question is pimozine is an example of diphenyl butyl piperidine. The next question is the antipsychotic drugs act by blocking the alpha adrenoreceptors. The next question is dash and haloperidol is effectively used in mania along with lithium therapy. The answer is chlorpromazine. The next question is dash is characterized by repeated coliform movement which can be severely disabling. The answer is dyskinesia. The next question is clomipramine is an example of tricyclic antidepressants. The next question is the major therapeutic use of MAO is endogenous unipolar depression. The next question is dash can be treated by labetalol or with combination of phentolamine and propranolol. The answer is cheese reaction. The next question is dash is the condition of bedwetting which occurs in children below 2 to 3 years due to inadequate control of bladder. The answer is nocturnal enuresis. Next question is which is the one drug that does not inhibit the uptake of 5-HT. The answer is imipramine. The next question is dash is a novel antidepressant and is referred to as serotonin and noradrenaline uptake inhibitor as it prevents the uptake of both of these amines. The answer is venlafaxine. The next question is dash is an imidazobenzodiazepine and is the first and the specific benzodiazepine antagonist. The answer is flumazenil. The next question is dash is administered in the form of carbonate salt through oral route and is eliminated via kidney. The answer is lithium. The next question is dash is the group of drugs acting on the brain, disturbing the sense and causing hallucinations. The answer is hallucinogens. The next question is hallucinogens act by disorganizing the neural function of the central nervous system. The next question is dash disease results from an insufficiency of dopamine in the brain and is thus categorized as a movement disorder. The answer is Parkinson's. The next question is the drug that replaces dopamine in the treatment of Parkinson's disease is benzrazine. The next question is drug that release dopamine in the treatment of Parkinson's disease is amantadine. Next question is dash is the first line treatment of Parkinson's disease. The answer is levodopa. The next question is dash is a glutamate antagonist used for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. The answer is memantine. The next question is dash is the first centrally acting anti-CHE to be used in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. The answer is tacrine. The next question is dash agent is acting as cortical stimulant. The answer is amphetamine. The next question is dash agent is stimulating the CNS reflex. The answer is lobeline. The next question is dash is not a naturally occurring xanthine alkaloid. The answer is camphor. The next question is dash stimulates mainly the midbrain and the spinal cord. The answer is picrotoxin. The next question is nootropics are the new class of dash agents which facilitate the learning and enhance memory retention. The answer is psychotherapeutics. The next question is dash is a cyclic derivative of GABA and is the first nootropic agent. The answer is piracetam. The next question is dash is not an example of phenanthrene derivative. The answer is papaverine. The next question is dash is a condition in which high dose of a drug is required to obtain the similar effect. The answer is tolerance. The next question is dash tolerance relates to the effect when a given dose of drug is administered more regularly or chronically protracted. That's all for now. Thank you.